Hey there, today I just wanted to hop on and share with you a closer look at these poultry shears. These are by a company called Sim Coker and they were sent to me by the brand so I could share them with you. Okay, I just wanted to give you a closer look at the ergonomic design of these shears. It comes with a lock so you can keep it closed when you're not using it. It opens up nice and big. I used this on some chicken. I was just cutting up some chicken and it did a really great job. It cut it very nicely, very smoothly. It has a really heavy duty feel to it. There is nothing light about this. And it just does a really great job of cutting. So you can see how sharp the blade is. It just cut like butter when I was using it. So if you're looking for a fantastic set of multi-purpose kitchen shears, you should really check these out.